So friends, British consumer technology brand Nothing is set to launch the Phone 3 in 2025, which will reportedly be the company's first step towards an AI-powered platform. According to a report by Android Authority, an email from Nothing CEO Carl Pei that was meant for the company's employees has surfaced online, revealing possible changes coming to the anticipated Nothing Phone 3. As per the report, Nothing CEO in his email highlighted that the company's next flagship smartphone, the Nothing Phone 3, will introduce breakthrough innovations in user interface. It also reportedly stated that Nothing Phone 3 will be company's first step towards an AI-powered platform. Last year, Carl Pei revealed the phone's work on AI interactions, aiming to integrate AI deeply into its smartphone operating system. The preview shown by the company is largely focused on two aspects: a dynamic home screen that displays personalized contextual information and an AI voice assistant offering a customizable interactions experience based on user preferences. It is likely that Nothing will introduce new features based on this preview for the upcoming Phone 3. The email also reportedly mentions a landmark smartphone launch in the first quarter of 2025. However, the report suggests that it is unlikely that the company would launch the Phone 3 in Q1 2025. It is possible that Nothing is planning to launch a successor to the Nothing Phone 2A and Phone 2A Plus or another CMA branded smartphone soon. However, the landmark launch could also refer to an entirely new device in Nothing portfolio. And when we talk about its specification, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to bring significant improvements on the performance front. The Phone 3 will likely be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip coupled with up to 12GB RAM. The smartphone is also expected to be offered with UFS 4.0 storage up to 512GB. So friends, that's for today in this video. Thanks for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.